Chapter 4. Color by Element. The 4 energies of the Zodiac. Every zodiac sign belongs to one of 4 elements: fire, earth, air, or water. These elements are like the personality flavors of astrology. They help you understand what kind of energy a sign brings. Think of them like the mood or vibe behind each sign. Let's color your understanding. Fire signs. Bold and bright Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Color: red, gold, orange. Energy: action, passion, confidence, courage. Feels like a spark, a flame, a bold leader. Strengths: exciting, inspiring, full of life. Watch out for impatience, bossiness, burning out. Fire signs are the go-getters. They light up the room. Earth signs: grounded and real Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Color: green, brown, deep burgundy. Energy: steady, practical, strong, patient. Feels like soil, trees, a mountain, a garden. Strengths: hardworking, reliable, calm. Watch out for stubbornness, overworking, being too serious. Earth signs make dreams real. They build things that last. Air signs: smart and social Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Color: yellow, sky blue, white. Energy: ideas, communication, freedom, thinking. Feels like wind, breath, light, buzzing thoughts. Strengths: great with words, friendly, curious. Watch out for overthinking, being scattered, coldness. Air signs are the thinkers and talkers of the zodiac. Water signs: deep and feeling Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Color: blue, silver, aqua. Energy: emotions, intuition, healing, empathy. Feels like rain, the ocean, tears, moonlight. Strengths: caring, creative, emotionally wise. Watch out for moodiness, hiding, emotional overload. Water signs feel what others miss. They live from the heart. Quick memory trick: element symbol signs. Keyword: fire Aries, Leo, Sagittarius action, earth Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn build, air Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Think water Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces feel. Try this. When you look at your chart, highlight the signs with colors. Red or gold for fire, green or brown for earth, light blue or yellow for air, blue or aqua for water. It'll help you see your element patterns at a glance. Did you know? Every person has a mix of all 4 elements, but usually 1 or 2 stand out. Your dominant element shows how you naturally move through life.